Okay, so I heard about this trick where you could use rotten bananas and poke holes in them and put your seeds in there for seed starter. So that's what we're up to today in the raised bed on the front porch. We're going to give this internet myth a try. And we're going to use lettuce and kale because we're on the front porch and it's a beautiful day. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so there's our first row of banana, and we're using Tom Thumb lettuce seeds. Got an ounce of them, germination rate of 88% from Urban Farmer Seeds. So today is February the 1st. Let's see how this goes. Now in the back row, we're going to be using burpee kale. And it is the dwarf blue curled. So we're going to plant that back in the back here and see how that goes. Oh, I forgot to mention, all of the center line right there has got Keurig coffee pods dumped. Okay, so there we are. We've got it all in there. We've got a few seeds scattered around just for controls outside of the bananas. We've got our central dig that has all the coffee grounds in it. Like I said, we've got our burpee dwarf blue curled Vates kale on the back, and our Tom Thumb lettuce seeds on the front. Did I mention that this is about the crappiest commercial dirt you can buy for a raised bed? So we'll be augmenting it and giving regular updates. Today's February the 1st. Let's see where this goes. As usual, like and subscribe to the channel. And I guess we ought to water these things. Let's try that too. Let's try adding some water, see what that does. Alright, y'all. See you next time. Well, here we are at the end of the experiment to use bananas to germinate seeds in the raised bed. That was a failed experiment. I don't know what I did wrong, but if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. Also, let me know if you had any success using bananas to germinate seeds. Let me know in the comments. So what are we going to do from here? Well, we're going to start over again. We've replaced the crappy soil, and we've replaced it with the Premium Organic Garden Mix Pro Mix from Premier Tech. It's a compressed pack for 2 cubic feet. They aren't a sponsor, but if they see this and want to sponsor some videos, just message me. So I'll put a link in the description for that. Future plans for the raised bed, we're going to transplant this lettuce plug that we've got from a store-bought head of lettuce and see how that goes. And we're going to plant some of the Tom Thumb lettuce seeds like we did last time. These seeds are from Urban Farmer. They aren't sponsors either, but if they see this, they can message me too. It says germination time is 7 days. Let's see how well we do with better soil. Again, I'll put a link in the description for these seeds. While I'm thinking about it, only 3% of y'all are subscribed to the channel. So please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated on the latest videos. Really, I'd appreciate it. It's the only way I know what you guys want to see and what you want to see more of. So, be sure and check out the website. It's theoldmanprepper.com. And check us out on Facebook. I've got content over there that I don't put on YouTube. So, we'll plant these seeds and see where we go from here. Stay tuned.